Cardona now. He attacks. Cardona shoots. Cardona makes it!
That gives Meralco a 1-point lead. Classic spin move here by Cardona. High-arcing hook shot.
3 defenders over 3 defenders. Game is finally over. Meralco coming out the winner in this classic ball game.
Against Tubit. That's the marquee matchup. And Cardona got a win! Oh, yes! And Meralco's on top by 73-72.
Makmak Cardona, the franchise player that he is, they went to him for the crucial basket.
Cardona bumped by Meng, got away from both Meng and Tubit, flipped the ball off the glass, and it's good. At the mga Meralco 73-72.
Cardona to tie.
That's the only...
He got it off the glass.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, delikado talaga oras.
Start to this ball game. They're still looking for our first points, and Matt Cardona will go cherry picking with a slam on Chambliss to play. Cardona against the rest of Montenegro. Oh man! Cardona. Oh wow! Shot play. The classic teardrop shot. Oh, Matt Cardona with a spin and the teardrop. It is Matt Cardona.
Sila kay Cardona spinning into the lane. Makmak gets the bounce.
Makmak Cardona again scoring. Mahirap talaga patayan ito si Makmak because he's got that sweeping hook shot.
He's got that pass of basketball. The opportunity coming up here for Makmak Cardona. And this moves.
Taulava, binibigay Cardona. Makmak pinili. Oh boy! Let's see. Off the glass, acrobatic shot for Matt Cardona.
Primero steal. Makmak Cardona from the blind side.
Oh, big! Cardona looking like Michael Jordan sticking his tongue out as he...
Tubit. Ito na ngayon. He makes his move. Oh, pasok. And may nakabawi nga.
It's just a high level of basketball pinapakita nila.
It's not really dirty. It's just physical.
Another transition play here by...
Oh, what a move.
Matt Cardona getting in between two players from Coca-Cola.
Well, Castro goes downstairs. Cardona bludgeon. And he will go to the...
Cardona and Captain Hook will have...
By Cardona, but spinning like a top shot. The ball vaulting in. Jumping out in front with a send to another.
And that's just testament to that, using his athletic ability, getting to the hole for that easy layup.
Final quarter. Cardona will jump hook.
Dun sa problem pa infraction.
And Makmak Cardona! From point blank lead, Cardona steal! There's patented teardrop. Makmak Cardona inside. Good take. Oh! He did just about everything.
Patay ang butigig. Cardona saves the day.
That was a lucky break para dito sa Iba pa 3-pointer. Tok-tok ng board. Meng, bagsak sa bola sa kamay ni Cardona. The patented.
Ano, Benga pala.
Oy, Makmak Cardona naka-belga ay naka...
Cardona goes baseline and a teardrop goes in. Captain Hook, 6 points.
Meaning sa ating opening quarter, Cardona with a teardrop. Familiar shot, familiar resource in the starting unit. Pumunta sila kay Cardona, spinning into the lane. Makmak
After every offensive rebound.
Hinanapan ng daan. Hinanapan ng iskinita.
Handoff Cardona, shot clock down to 7. Cardona for 3. Yes, sir!
Matt Cardona with a huge three, giving his team a 1-point lead. To that zone defense.
Cardona.
Oh yes, a big one.
And a shot by Matt Cardona.
That's against the zone.
Cardona fires! Oh, in and out! In and out!
Mercado to Makmak and the familiar teardrop works para kay Cardona on the run. Kami mang 4 on 3. Cardona looking to go all the way to the hole.
Makmak Cardona telling the crowd, that's for you. And he gets the round of moves.
Cardona loving the negativity the crowd is giving him. Well-deserved moves para dito kay Makmak Cardona. Ross, nakita ba si Cardona? Inilagay na ng Sarinyon.
Off-time. Out of balance shot.
Saka sa celebrate din naman si Cardona.
Yata sa mata. Si Makmak Cardona ni Earl Barron.
Back home.
wala rin yan. Cardona, 2-on-2 ito. Meralco, and Cardona hindi na inantay. It is in the past game, but you can see making a conscious effort. Ito naman si Cardona, that's a full. Lumapit na sila by 1 point. Oh, good escape.
Just love Cardona not giving up on the
Mercado, quickly to
and the major concern of everyone. You're talking about Cardona and Mercado sharing the ball. Both teams will have to play smart deals, and for Meralco, they need to play Alaska and Air 21. So the zone defense na pinapakita nitong Power 8, they'll need somebody to bring out defense.
si Mac talaga.
The effort of Marlo
Ayaw
Aquino.
sayangin ng mga bata.
The good thing about that play of Marlo Aquino, you saw the entire
Wrong party. Look at that teamwork between Mercado and Cardona.
and you know
Na-warning na tayo. Bench siguro.
that
Meaningful picks at the top of the keyhole areas. Oh, the Cardona's special.
Cardona game-long brilliance for you. You still want to end with another punch. It's a pang spurt. And when you have Sol Mercado delivering,
And the announcement for the last 2 minutes. And he's not stopping.
Cardona went for the shot. Actually, libre to siya si Campo, but he elected to go for the shot. That's a favorite.
And the faithful of Talking Text, clap.
No, every time it whirls to the basket, talagang very exciting panoorin. Pero nakabawi ka agad dito si Mac Cardona. Quick answer on the other end. Villoria to finish the Atlantic first period of action. Cardona! Simula na naman yan dito yung mawala sa
Lumalabang itong Barefoot dito sa ball game na ito. Mac Cardona.
or right now, 3 minuto na silang hindi nakakuha ng basket.
Vergel to Mac Cardona. Yes! Yung jump hook na yan ni Mac Cardona. Bakit na wrestling match going up between Cardona and Macapagal. Ito naman, si Lau naman ang binangga.
Ito kayo sa Super Helmenes. Oh, nice pass to Mac Cardona. And he gets it to bounce in. And we can play inside and had a breakout game for Talking Text last Friday. And has certainly... Here from Castro. Cardona. Again the fake. And the teardrop are 6 out of 7 from the field. And he has dismantled that Ateneo defense.
Ronald told me that what he needs to do tonight is treat Mac like a Kobe Bryant.